Yo guys, welcome to the Street Talk podcast with the steering our main Gale here. You can check him out and go to his website www.wedotthis.co.za, and then we got Nema here, Mr. Let me just call him for now, Mr. Venrap. Nendo Jera after him. So you can check him up Venrap Radio Station to see the ZT. Yeah, now on music and download for free. And then I got Lordy Foussa right here. And then
whoa. It's not Lordy. I'm not going to no. I'm not Foussa. I'm Lordy now.
Okay. Someone go prove right in Okay, so now he's Lordy. And then we're gonna have our special guest right here. We're gonna interview him. He's gonna come to the
We're gonna grill him.
Yeah, we're gonna grill him actually. He's gonna come here, NFR. Yeah, Street Talk Podcast. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you share. If you don't do that, we're gonna upload this on YouTube on Tuesday. Yeah. When you upload it, you must get the notification. If you don't get the notification before we share, means that you're not loyal, you're not real to us, you're not real to Mr. Visionary, you're not real to Menge, you're not real to Nema. So let's get it. Let's start with the podcast.
Let's start with the podcast.
Let's get it.
You know,
welcome back. Wait a moment. Wait. Come on.
Dude, there's going to be heated up.
Yo, welcome back. It's the Street Podcast. Vabia Wafahoy Mukosi.
Vadivori.
Roya. Asimukosi wa mwimbi. Sorry, achumara tena mgumu na uri.
Vasa ngonyera.
We have the full house today. Today is a full house. Queen Elizabeth.
Oh shit.
It is what it is. We have the full house, man. Welcome to the podcast, man.
Welcome.
Yeah.
So, Gay, what made you decide, or if I'm to invest in the music?
Yeah.
Niko decide that we invest Batondy more than what Foussa is offering.
The example.
It's an example.
Okay.
Example. What makes
like this?
Like Arab magazine investors in music. What makes one decide? Okay, ndiko invest Batondy, opera kawa Lordy.
Mara tonga Maremba unapindwa esungori nene
ndikanya kufesisa ningamama
he gets more or ashare zabantu. Do you share everything that you've been sent?
Okay, let me say this. This is not about friendship. Niyabona ndinazi artists injengamanda zine ndawandi rapper what was this zine ndachi rapper nazo they come to me and they promote this and I tell them no, and actually I don't refuse to promote it, but then I check on the market what I should promote, what people need. If your content is not good enough to promote for that time, I'm not saying it's not good enough for that time, I'm not gonna promote it. Whether you're my friend, you're my family, I'm gonna promote what is needed to be promoted. Yeah. Like actually, I don't promote names.
What he says, if I'm not check why is a react
Chizy Wizy.
Not knowing me and Mengele already done a video clip.
Yeah.
Talking about it. Come on. But then, not knowing what Chizy Wizy was talking to me. You're trying to find a way how can we have him?
Yes,
yeah.
Not sharing doesn't mean that song is
or not. And not talking about something doesn't mean
might be something
we're not working on something.
You know that the other thing that hurts me, ne? You find that someone is coming to you and saying, why are you not reacting to someone else's song on whatever? Okay, you go and react. You don't send to them directly. They won't get that reaction or whatever because they didn't subscribe. Actually, they don't support you, but they come to demand you to do something. True. How dare you come to demand me to do something when I don't support my channel? How dare you? How do you do that? But like myself,
I read this all. Do you understand that you have diversified the topic that I asked?
Yes, we do.
We're gonna get
with that realization. What is the answer to the question that I asked?
So, Mara, okay, coming back to you, ne?
Yeah.
RJ, the Maremba, if I decide to invest within an artist, it's because I've seen the future already. This, whatever the artist is doing, this will take the artist from this level to this level. You can come with your stuff and say, mini. But your stuff might need improvement. But which means it's not ready to be invested in. First, let's do this improvement and do that. But in your case, because it was a personal question.
Yeah, because it broke my heart.
Yes, in your case, right? In your case, it was the fact that the project that we're talking about, RJ, come see Batondy. That project.
I compare Batondy. Alter Beast,
yes.
na Foussa loading it.
Yes. So it was not about who's the best. It was about which project did you started with from the ground. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And here we're talking about the whole body of artwork, the whole album, where there were investment from the beginning. So if you stop investing now, which means that you might not get returns of investment because no imabukat. So it was not because of Uri, hey, Lordy comes are blind. No, it was not because of that. And you know, everything that we have ever done, dude, there's no song out there which can compare to what we have done. It has always been that.
Because what broke my heart was Nacheka the Altered Beast. Raicheka the Lordy it up mixed.
Yeah.
Auna muzika unoitwa ngaBatondy unewanga mecha cause no I'm not atiko zama degrade Batondy. Let me finish.
Before Batondy
let me say what I'm saying. Wait, let me say what I'm saying.
There's something I'm gonna say.
Wait, no. Let me finish. Atiko zama degrade muzika wa Batondy.
I thought maybe you're just making an example.
So
is it based on Batondy or
yeah, it's based on Batondy. Batondy muzika wabo ugayi ukochimbula straight. And then muzika wa Lordy uko gone.
Lordy ndakomrobudzisa ma
because muzika wanga nichufa every time there's always something that's growing because if you're a fan of Lordy unacho chichinja chiko gone nga muzika wa on. So that's why no one or me when ich investor ka muzika Venrap ni investor ko rindinyo drumesa opiranye ndikona chere danga zino. That's why ambitious is on investor ka Batondy. Because ambitious register yabona Batondy bono pushes art yabo to that point in our investor yakhayo because bopelewa.
Okay, let me talk now.
Let me talk
now. Okay, don't say anything when I'm talking there. Yeah. And this is gonna be
okay, let me talk.
Relax, we give you a chance now.
Okay, cool.
This might sound personal, but it's not personal, right?
It's not.
The thing is that Lordy Foussa or Lordy.
Yeah.
Maybe he did music, but only was a 2-meter music.
Blind.
And he was on the market. And it was way before maybe I started promoting and everything.
Yeah.
And then Batondy did music. Now, Reneri Horn. I took on automotive. But then the thing, Lordy, you must know. Right now, you're not on the market.
Holy shit!
That's the thing.
No, I'm gonna correct you.
Okay, I correct you. Let me correct you.
Ni Vesa ka Venrap ngazine komzero kana mumwe ane abona nga Venrap ndi hawe aposta.
Ndinyo anabona ngani komzero bona ndi yawe.
Ubona ndi hawe tamam.
Okay.
Special edition of
Let's get it. Okay, A-Reece.
Mara.
Yeah.
Venrap arali yalicha ufocusa ko rinjelele muledani shandima Everybody has a story to tell. Chizy Wizy has a story to tell. Masiya.
Namasiya again.
No, the not for PJT was from Masiya. He was the first person. Masiya Uchamana Venrap. He was dope. But then Imani need to put chance in Amadev. Imani. Ranga decide or Venrap Asiabo Mutu. There's
no one who owns Venrap.
Exactly. Yeah. But if Ranga decides Venrap I Vishandima, Venrap I Vimuradani, Venrap I Vinjalere, Venrap I Vimangondi, we would have but then I really love the dude because he wants to grow the platform. But how he wants to grow the platform is beachy. Because it's surrounded it's beachy. It's beachy, my nigga, because it's surrounded around the people you feel like deserve to grow. Because there's niggas that deserve to grow before the people that you feel like deserve to grow. Growth I surround is name a believer. I hope Muloni. Around if nende ko bona nga goose back or deserve grow. Comes around the master DB cross wave ngabe usini na output nga track ya gara. Gara girire na gara girire other was on sign a crosswave ngaba sadalinga wa Lordy. But when is a people load the platform you okay but
you can't push everyone.
No, as a pusher credit
this is very personal.
Venrap Radio station on Tega, Ariane, meaning not post those other guys more. Hela APS appear EPA drop at that year, 2018. Yes, appear Lord Sizini, EPA Flomatiki. Yes, not the punch. Yes, no, Flomatiki. Yes, appear Lord Sizini. Yes, the flow. Araming at the flow. The punchline. Araming at the punchline. Structuring. Araming at structuring. Like everything. Like I'm really good. So if you compare me to Flomatic na Milomo, I feel disrespected. You can't disrespect a nigga that's good. Like
we are more strict than ever today.
I'm really good with this shit. Like in the Amwara and the Chingwara, I put my brain into.
I
wanna like
fake God.
Chizy Wizy na gold mabili.
Yo, come on.
No, atiko push. I'm really good.
Yeah, no, we understand.
Give me a chance.
I'm really good. I'm really good. No, I'm really good.
Wait. Don't drop us in.
I'm really good.
Sit down first. Sit down.
No, I'm really good, my nigga. I'm really good. I wrote the both verses.
Iman.
I'm really good.
Shout out to Lordy.
So you wrote for Metro?
I'm really good. Chizy Wizy.
Shizu Alkaline.
Wait.
You are Shizu Alkaline.
Admiri. We're Metro no more.
One time, my nigga.
One time, this need ya this only.
I didn't think I'm gonna drink this motherfucker. Let me mix it.
And this is what's nice. My voice is there.
Yo.
My voice is on the
song. This is the hip-hop edition. Hip-hop edition.
So
my voice is on the song.
Now I understand his frustration.
One time, my nigga.
He's not getting.
I'm there.
You're not getting his credit, actually.
Exactly. Ajia, let's say, no, I'm also going to know, 15K, Naifa Batondy. Ndo bandana chance choshumisa 5K. Right investor ka music never Lordy ba go pusha. Ni confessor like that thing doesn't make sense because I needed only 5K to push what I had in mind. And you take 15K and invest it in Batondy. How much have you got from that profit? Nothing so far.
Okay. I'm gonna ask him questions now.
Yeah.
Before we go to that thing of promotion with me,
yes.
let me ask you. When you wrote those songs, were you a ghostwriter or you wanted your credits?
I was young.
You were young.
I was young. I thought I was going to get famous. I thought
Okay.
Wait. You come on into one time you were young.
Let's start with Oyungwana.
Let's
start with Oyungwana.
Yeah.
I was young because it was in 2014 that I put a grade 11.
Yeah.
And then I wrote verses Zaka Oyungwana and then I was promised to the sign work NFR. NFR was the big shit that time.
Yeah. I know.
It was big that time.
Were you signed?
No, I never got
What
signed.
happened after that?
You know what happens, niggas become niggas. This is what happens when you're young, right?
Yeah.
Ningwadera mutu track, I think the sign of NFR. Now with some missy February no diva ani balodi. Diva ndo tegiwa nga komzero. Or ndongwada hela track Oyungwana. And then a few months, like let's say a few years later, I deleted the account. There was no proof that I wrote the song, but I have the files because I was using a phone which allows me to have the files.
Everything.
So, Greg Randy in his no composition. You were wrong.
Nah, that's the thing. It was Venrap.
No.
There's no robbing in Venrap.
Even if you are saying something you don't understand. The thing is that this guy wrote those verses. It was promised that it would be signed, right?
Yeah.
It wasn't signed. Both verses wasn't signed on NFR. Yeah, come zero. That's why I come more mini. Nena come zero maybe Rico push us not go trend and everything. And on that, let me say this. Then they go push our days in Vince. Wo CSG.
Yeah.
Wo Kusta RT. Short nice. Na check a timeline here come zero. And now one artist nanti years. Nah, I'm not influenced by Comzero. I'm saying it now in front of them. I'm not influenced by Comzero. Comzero is not going to influence us when Venrap. He's been there just like
he's playing his part.
No, why?
No. Lordy.
That time, Comzero had influence.
Give them a chance, boy.
Lordy.
This time, Comzero has zero influence.
No, Lordy. I say you must relax. Don't talk. I'm talking. We gave you a platform. You talk. The thing is that I'm not influenced by Comzero. Myself, I think and I'm not also influenced by Nema.
Yes.
But then they got follow the steps there was the Gia, but then they are not really influencing me.
You are your own man.
I'm my own person. I'm a visionary. I do my own stuff. When I see content pushing, I push it. Now I check katamlani Comzero.
Yeah.
Now katamlani ya Nema.
Yeah.
Ningasi one desinvince.
Yes, you won't see that.
Ningasi one CSG.
Yes.
Ningasi one short knives. Ngasi zanga ndiko ziyahamba. Ara ndiko influence ngabo ngawona bako zipusha. And na akakabela watu katamlani zawo. Na kayanga. Ningasi one zinebo kwamba ngazoni kwamba ngahazo. Now kwamba nga Bianca. Okay, maybe somewhere somehow ndo amba ngabo. The reason I talked about
and they also pushing Mutleke.
Yeah, Mutleke also. The reason I'm talking about those artists, maybe Comzero kwamba ngazo kana Nema kwamba is because they are making waves.
Yes.
Just like Rookie Venda.
Yes.
Goosebump Banana.
Yes.
They're making waves. I'm pushing music. If I don't know mutu una impact na kuita, ndike pusha, ndiko pusha Chizy Wizy, ndiko Sumba Circus one ni the one angazipinga. Ndao pusha Chizy Wizy ne. Now what we about the worry, Nema akupusha Chizy Wizy, right?
Yes.
Pusha Chizy Wizy. Mara ndiko mpusha. So you can't go and say ndiko influence nga Nema because ndiko amba remini Hako Nema kumpusha. Na nacheka timeline ya Comzero. Au na Chizy Wizy na Lordy. They didn't talk about him. So you can't go there out there and say like Foussa and then you go and flex on Galawat. No.
Lordy, you know, hey Foussa.
Lordy. Like
But never to be no when pusher Vapes the one Jigera.
But when that was pusher when Jigera. For now, I know. Here, this street talk. We're supposed to say anything and mention it. But now, for now, Kombro need to need.
Yes.
I'm not gonna mention names.
Yes,
I'm not gonna mention names.
Just say about it.
Then artists is about the Daro blind, is that the pusher. Never want to on a Mazinaninga mention away one. I push a lot of artists that I want the contract, and as a contract Zanga, I decided to pass on black and white because I'm gonna be very strict. The reason why I don't want to make you to sign down. I don't want to be strict and if I'm grounding you in the controller because when you sign a Venrap artist, they feel like you're controlling them, but you're not controlling them. You're working. You're trying to make them better. You're working by the book, and the reason why they agree for you to sign them, they believe you can do better. You have better. You can put them somewhere where they can go by themselves. You see, I don't know sign. You respect me. The reason why I don't sign them on the paper. I know about the art of line.
How is it signing if it's not on the paper?
Like no, there's something called verbal agreement.
It's a verbal agreement.
That's why it's not signing.
No, it's
a verbal agreement.
It's a signing. You are signing still.
You agree.
You
agreed verbally.
And I'm gonna give you something which is an example. We live in a very
okay. Before you go there, what do you call it?
I was going there. You said
Go there. Go get there.
Before we be like something, there's something called Hey, look, my mind is reversed. Something called whatever you say. It doesn't contractually bind you because you can always turn it into like you were joking. You can always have a twist
that's
around
why
it.
these days we use something called digital print, digital signing.
When you say digital signing, you also mention IP,
you can use your voice,
yes,
just to sign.
Most
of the banks use that.
So
whatever you say and you agree is recorded.
Yes.
Or how you agree. If they come to you and say, did you agree or are you gonna support these kids? Yes, I did.
And there's a proof.
Yes.
No, even no proof. Was there an agreement between you two?
There was.
Come on, there was. Then that's a signature already.
True.
You see, like a contract, a contract is all about agreement. Whether you signed or you talked about it.
You guys made me lose my fucking point.
Okay, bring back your point.
Bring it back.
So,
okay,
let's give him
Maremba. From you're pushing, right? You're always pushing from social media and the best push artists in any push and Avazoria here and the push muna aita zone and all the ngamne. Who was that artist? The success of that artist. Who is that artist?
That artist, I can say, is Rookie Venda. Rookie Venda. Don't put your blind.
And to tell the truth,
No.
This is different from pushing and management.
No. I get what he's saying.
So this is stole from you. If you know investor cover 20, you have age but 20 not as
what only ni personal on Monday.
No, okay, let me tell you something.
And then you know investor cover 20 on it. And then I come Maremba or investor cover 20. And then I come through with my Lordy flows and I come through because I'm dope. I know that I'm dope. That's for sure. And then I come through that platform and that environment and I turn it into mine. It's like what Mulao did with Rita D. We know that Rita D has been killing artists mentally for a long time because we saw that with Tim and Gavini. And then with Ramsey we saw that. So then I come through with my nice smooth flows. I steal from you slowly.
Okay.
Because
let me answer him.
But but does that make me the better thief?
No. Okay. And then think kwamba uri mtu anaenda.
Ndano kule doko nani kwa ramara wastate wa wone.
Je ni madi ino randi vule.
What a proof.
Randi vule wa wone visionary hapa. The thing is that na Rookie no push ngamanda ne
Lie.
na dzingwa dzi artists in
But
the
the
push
Rookie
up
ngai nini.
yeah Rookie no push
Which means he did a good job.
He
Yeah.
did a good job.
but that time ne there was no Visionary Entertainment.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was not signing anyone. I was
Yeah.
pushing whatever content I see is worth pushing. You see, and a Rookie didn't like by that time Rookie didn't about collaborations and bookings. Wambango, I'm saying it right now. He was doing bookings and
No one is a new Rookie.
no shout on sharp on the one side.
Probably was through me.
Yeah, probably was Nema.
Because I used to interview him a lot.
Yeah, you see. That time this was a Rookie. Ni charge up guy for bookings.
Yeah.
Ni charge up guy for collaborations. I'm saying no for free. He was doing it for free. And then not the proof in now because what's happened for free. But that time, this one was no man. We need to plug you on channel O and everything. I opera almost in a year. No, I'll get paid there when I deserve.
Yeah.
But that time they got doing push and he was feeling like he don't deserve to be played on television.
I don't tell you something. That guy,
But he still doesn't.
that guy is way smart.
And waste smart.
He knows how.
Two things in
Yeah.
one. He's a
No,
waste.
he
and
knows the
he's
target
smart.
market.
Yeah,
Ne?
yeah,
That kid is young.
Yeah.
It's way younger than you, me, all of us here.
yeah.
That's why you say
Yeah,
he's
no,
way
yeah,
smart.
no,
That's why he's
relax.
he's a waste and he's smart.
That's why he's able.
No.
to run.
Let's say this, ne. And dipendo ori. This are talking about Suzuki because we are not the brothers of Pindura, ne.
Yeah.
One no come distance still Rookie can, ne.
Hey, almost still.
No, wait.
No, you can respect her enough to
Yeah, but
that would have been nice.
If he stole him from me,
Yeah.
would I have agreed to go and shoot a music video with him?
No.
You wanted clout.
And wait.
That's for clout. You
No,
wanted clout.
wait.
Let me before you go there, let me ask you. Do you know Rashid?
How do man?
Okay,
No.
I want to give you an example.
No.
Actually, agree to become this
No,
video.
yo.
It was for clout.
Let me say.
Like you stole the opportunity.
Anyway, one thing you
big
forgetting
time,
when
and then
somebody
for
that
you
you
to be on TV.
Yeah.
You feel like
not
I'm
a
trying to
manager.
make up.
Come on.
Yeah,
It was
I want to
clout.
say that. I want to
It was
say that.
clout.
Promoter
Lordy.
and the manager is two different things.
Two different things.
A manager and a promoter, two different
Lordy,
things. The manager manages the artist and the
No,
promoter.
Lordy couple mlenyana ne. Lordy. Lordy ne. Richard Vitola music video.
Yeah, that is famous boy today.
Yeah.
Baby mama's boy.
Hey, wait. Ipumlanyana. Arikoto for base yano.
Yeah.
Rikamba nezino ne.
Talk, bro.
When we went to shoot that music video from criminal crew ne.
Virginia beer.
Hola munna distena kumbudza.
Yeah.
Mbizo ndi there shoot ne. Nendo hana ngamanga darati kuda. Ndada excuse yona tina nazo ambara. Ndina to prove ndi dani sumeza rengo zistoda.
Artist order.
Ndada
You really need to prove.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
I didn't want to be there ne. Mara distena mbana ndi respect na you respect ne. Na pesa ndo tena okay. Ndizo order. Rara shooter, Richard Ngel go shoot a Pretoria ne. You feel lifestyle what nice side. Na sunny side
Sunny
ngi.
side, yeah.
Ndandi ziyo kala video ndo ima side ndina Rookie ndina bango
Then
batu
they
nya.
called
This time na emu na dani mani to vanya na kusini nyana kutubu. Na check la video ne. Ndo answer because he's saying it's for cloud ne.
What I like is because
Be honest.
people are seeing your worth. People are seeing what you're doing within this culture. And they're giving you even they're giving you flowers. You get what I'm saying?
You see the reason why I love this guy being here.
Yeah.
Now they're going to really explain it.
Yes.
And then so explain the video flags.
Yeah.
The songs go zama go azama. No, that's
One thing you're wait. Foussa knowing.
Wait. Zine in umbizo ribo lifusa, you call me Lordy, umbizo rifuru, it's okay. But because those are my ze ambizisa zone. That's like paraphrasing. Ze ambizisa zone. Remuna you know me better. Like I wouldn't feel free in an environment where you are free and you are not there.
And I believe that. I believe that.
Foussa is not
This is no longer the trauma, that's his name. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, what does I feel, baby?
Baby.
Motherfucker.
Hey, I'll do your part. To present a point here. You know, a point here, home no Korean, and
Because
let me talk. Let me talk.
He was
let me talk.
But it was his project.
Let me talk. Let me talk. If I'm promoting an artist, even though I say I sang this artist, if you come with a better idea and then I'm not better than me to that artist, because my aim is to see an artist doing better. So wait, don't talk.
No,
if you can do better than me, I will let you take that artist. Because my aim is not for me to get out there, it's for the artist to get out there.
The reason that statement is
if you can do better than me for an artist, I will let you take the artist.
Yeah.
Let's say financial.
Yeah.
I can't do it.
So, you know what I want to say? You're talking about someone that knows what has been happening. The investment that Stan put in, things that he has done, the relationship he created. Now I'm never gonna go and flex or say anything.
True.
But I know the hard work that he has put in.
100%.
I know what he has done.
This then blind. But my question was this. So, did this then approach you first or Rootkid first? That's how theft works.
I don't know. Let me repeat
again. If name Ndiba Lordy so and then I decide Lordy never belong how we do this. They belong how HOD.
Yeah.
And then if in Lordy a manager wa HOD ndiri naye thenga. So if iniso ngabana naye thenga na sokota heba Lordy arite 1 2 3 ndabuza manage neri naye man Gail uri arite 1 2 3. That's disrespectful to the manager.
I hear what you're saying.
Because it didn't go through the manager. That's why and I don't say Hirnaye. This is what Man Gail said to me. And Nasoko Mangalora 1 2 3 and then they go push you on Man Gail. And then if you know man go push a Rootkid for like 2 3 months, because I know him 2 months after you pushed him.
Yeah.
And then Nenda fila uri and then this time if a song was that through in handy war. This is what I think about Rootkid. I think 1 2 3 4.
I have a good
1
question
2
for you.
3 4. 1 2 3 4. And then ask Amana Rootkid. And then 2 3 months later after that Mizofield track dropped.
Yeah.
Nasoko bona to Ashkwere bookings that was through D-Stand, right? D-Stand, whatever his surname is.
Okay, I
No.
Wait, there's a question.
Let me ask him a question.
There's a question.
He's saying that he stole. Distance stole.
I didn't say he stole.
You said.
I said might have.
You said
Okay. Let's leave it there. I might have stole from him. Marumfi or not stole.
Fuck the proof.
I've ever seen an update, even a single update, saying that I'm managing Rookie Venda.
No.
So how come he stole
I think
me?
this topic is topic have gone too long enough.
Yeah, for real.
Yeah.
So guys, man, before we
It's
move
not
on,
important. Take this out.
wait. Before we move forward,
Yeah.
this stand didn't steal Rookie from
He
me.
stole it.
I was promoting him just like any other artist.
Yeah.
If you see me promoting an artist, if you see me promoting an artist and I never said I'm managing them,
You're not
talk them. You don't even have to
Because
come.
now when I spoke to him, he said he didn't have a manager.
I was not managing him.
Before
You know what?
no ngabe nema offers Venramba musi under ene mayo ini ndo mini khane maruzula falani not always touch finger chawe yako promoter ni bobo. It's not a matter of management, it's a matter of who you invest your time in.
Wait, before you answer me, you're still talking about you versus this time, ne? Wait,
blind.
Lordy, listen, man.
I don't listen.
Like he's saying you wasted this time. Wait, man. He's saying you wasted your time, man. As if he's saying I wasted my time.
Yeah,
you did it. The first thing, does he know what my goal was?
He doesn't.
He didn't even go. Arsenal goal. Oh, that have a load. Arsenal goal by then.
No, that have a load didn't me.
Never load. I need a plan because Miss I didn't. Wait. While the is getting fired. Wait. This is what happened. I remember that day into the okay, this is what happened. He came to Lordy and he was like, "Oh, bro, this is what I have. I've got this artist, Rootkid, Arrington, Ari Carlton Center, the
something special.
And then he was like, I've got this artist, Rootkid. Oh, he's the Rootkid do a Tom. Wait.
What are the Carlton Center?
Wait,
I've never been to Carlton Center with him.
You have
never.
Wait.
Wait.
And then he's like, I've got this artist, Rootkid. Rootkid is the first artist who always a verse. Kaela project chawe visionary.
Yeah.
Nikomfezesa aseno Toma. And wait.
Oh, okay.
Fuck it. And then he's like, this is what happens. I don't know what to do. Whatever. And I gave him he didn't use it. The song or you choose the Zendamba.
Yeah.
He didn't use it.
I'm gonna answer you.
Okay, that is VP. That is VP. No. One question for Nelben Gay. Let's go with the question.
Question you have been saying no one nyimbo experience big, ne?
True, bro.
Thank you, Sizo Alkaline, ne? The Kwambori you've wrote.
I've written.
Yeah, you've written so many artists. So what you wanted and ngunyanga mini Gino ka ufuna komzero itamini.
Like feel feel a promise ya we reke ebalodi the designer ka NFR if night 1 2 3.
Yes.
What he should have done was okay balodi atanga kuone because of 1 2 3 because nendo ba blind before Batondy was on the scene. Batondy
ayaka NFR ne?
Batondy were blind because of the blueprint I laid out.
Yeah, NFR.
Wow. I laid out a good.
After this, I have a question.
I understand what you're gonna ask. But now, the music that I was making before, Batondy, Bachiba Oni, Bachi Dumanga Lidebe, Bachi Dumanga Chita Gong. If you listen to what I was doing before, you would understand that I put up a blueprint.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bella tianyo yali beads nyana ya udianga zerain is a blind if in doctor
yes
because na fa verse ya Batondy kaela track nendo boda de dada na fa hela track I've met doctor before that track happened. You understand, because I'm good with my rhymes, I'm good with my writing.
So from zero ufuna oni signa ka NFR.
Or you should have told me the truth that I would be unable to. Because
so
what
used you?
Exactly. What broke me, and they have another track of me, Yamabebe. Emunando, but
Nimani Gani.
Yamabebe.
Una Mabebe,
yeah. I'm a Divanilla track. Emuna output Ajisha Jam 550 for studio time for 1 hour. I paid 550 for 1 hour. We record on Marshall Street. Nda mupana 250 yo backup a verse yanga and then for ndiko record terekela yandi mabibi na ya una chorus ya that's what God made.
So which means I've been to uri mabebe komzelo mabebe tonga yo vaka ini futi
no
ikomba jela mabebe
ni vaka Romeo asini
No.
What I'm saying is, what broke me more.
What? This guy was supposed to be part of that.
I was part of the song, but napangwa na maniga ane.
Oh, you were. I remember you. The first one.
The first one
you were there. Yes.
And then ndayuziwa ungandi promoter ya music wa machimba. Ndanifisa verse ya original kama bebe nafa verse ya pangwadra we reduce your quality and then ya pangiwa and then, like that broke my heart. Like I'm like, okay bro, is this how you wanna move things? Is this how? And then this is approach ajiwa screenshot ambo the post waka Facebook. And then Batondy wa comment ukonya wa waka maniga Hollywood. How can you be Hollywood when I gave you back to you? I gave back to you. I gave Lordy.
Yo guys, welcome to the Street Talk. Kuni reminder Foussa. I got Nema here. I got main girl and Lordy Foussa. Ukwamba the Street Talk zawe. Okay, Lordy. I got Lordy. Ukwamba Street Talk kono muzozo kwete mini. Lordy.
Not Lordy for lady.
Yeah, ni corrector and so Lordy is pissed off because he wrote 2 verses for Zero and he was promised to be signed on NFR and he wasn't signed. And then again he was the first one to put a verse on Maremba, and then he paid 550 for recording and then 250 for backups. And then
actually he paid 800 for that track
and he wasn't put on the song. Actually, Zero used him twice.
Yeah.
3 times. I wrote one.
Let me tell you something. This is what comes song. He spitted on him.
Yeah.
Hit on him.
Shit on him.
Cheated on him.
And you know, this like
so
I gave
we thought you there's no NFR.
Probably.
Actually, okay.
There's one thing I want to understand. Ngabo usina Lordy, how do you tell me?
I'm
but you know what to do with
no, but Kale Marachi doesn't rap.
Yeah, he used to do.
No, but not better than me.
Okay, we're done with this. We are firing him now. We need to have
Hey, no. I know I'm a guest in the coast.
Yeah.
Lordy, it was nice having you.
It was nice.
Let me finish what I say.
Yeah. Just finish it.
You have 2 seconds. 2 seconds.
1, 2.
Yeah, you're done. Good. Let's go. Let's go.
If I didn't put out the blueprint of what NFR should be, then there wouldn't be no NFR. There wouldn't be no prefix, there wouldn't be no mess, there wouldn't be flow. Flowmatic is whack. No, we don't need to count it. We just need to count the dope. Who cares about Flowmatic? No, divine me. Okay. Before I go.
No, wait.
What do you remember about Flowmatic?
No. He said something about Batondy dab, ne?
Yeah.
And then actually Batondy dab. Sumo already debelo introduce Batondy. Wait. He's saying that Lidab actually saying Batondy is the one who owns Lidab.
Whose watch is that is
and
my phone.
No.
And the dependent la flow.
So dominator.
Yeah, the one was on Flowmatic. Not Flowmatic is mini. It's pop. Yeah, thank you. Let's go.
You are fired. We need Chizy Wizy.
It is what it is. Let me complete my statement.
Yeah.
It is what it is, man. Follow me on whatever you find me. Lordy. Let me welcome. Let me welcome Chizy.
Wait there. Hey, yo, guys. This is Street Talk. I got main game right here. www. we do this dossier, and then I got Nema here, Venrap Radio station dossier.
Yeah.
Yo guys, we got another guest right here. It's Chizy Wizy, recently released Fair God, this to Metal CMG. Yeah, react to yeah, react to okay, Ras Mountain. So yeah, promoter. Oh yeah, promoter.
But I wrote the song.
Yeah, promoter it's
We are coming here when Chizy.
Actually,
Chizy was sitting here. But in the toilet.
Yeah,
Chizy,
let's go.
Chizy Wizy.
Lil Wayne.
We saw street talk today.
Hey, no,
I feel like I need more talk time, but
You come back. You'll come back.
No, next week I'm okay.
Yo, guys, we still right here. We're still rolling.
You know how
Mama's bottoms open. What a maniga.
No. Zenza kwamba pasi kulezo the input yanga.
Hey, no, the output.
Ngori,
Lordy, Mama's boy now today wheelchair wana garage nyana. Let's go. We have Chizy Wizy right here. Chizy Wizy. Yeah. Okay. Yo, shout out to Tia. Go for release that song.
Yeah, man, you push the guy.
Yeah, and I did push him. I posted up.
But why didn't you push the other one?
Which other one?
Hey,
hey, this is gonna be rated 18. They're gonna reach yeah, guys. No. When I push someone, I see them, they're on the right platform. They're getting bookings and everything. That's the thing I was saying, that no one steals artists from me. If I'm pushing you and I see that you have a platform now, people are giving you attention. I back off and go to the other artists. Now it's up to you to see your consistency. If you can maintain the consistency, means that you don't deserve my promotion.
True.
Means that always I'll have to be pushing you while you're relaxing. You have to push. The kid is pushing and he has to push further. I pushed him wherever on. I'm not saying that I own his content or everything. He's pushing, he's working hard. If I'm pushing someone, you must know that they are working hard. I don't push someone who's sitting down. Chizy Wizy, last year he approached me. A few songs, I refused to host him. And then there was this song called Son of a Bitch. It's a diss track to Metro CMG. I didn't put that song.
Which means so when I'm beef before
there's
a
lot of them. There's a lot of them.
This guy can record 2 albums.
You see the beat tracks he made to Metro CMG. Definitely you can have 3 wives because of those beats. So the thing I'm saying now, he came to me with that Son of a Bitch and other songs. I hosted Son of a Bitch on Visionary Channel. I didn't push him. I told him I'll host it. I'm not going to push it. I hosted it. I didn't push it.
So did you host
when I host it, people just come to me hoping that okay, when I host, I'm gonna go there and talk about it and everything. So the thing is that if I don't feel an impact on anything, I relax. And see how you're going to push the song yourself, man. Like, hopefully, Foussa is the Foussa. I don't know what the Foussa, and then you don't reach. Why must my side concentrate on you while you're not concentrating on yourself? You see, so Chizy Wizy came there, I just hosted the song and left it there, right? So it was on like over a year, 214 views. I showed him yesterday, 214 views. I didn't push it. This one, I told him, okay, because this one I see your consistency on dissing the guys and murdering the guys. I can say he's murdering him because that guy is not replying.
And you have also hosted Metro Have you ever done that?
I promoted him a lot.
Yes.
So I'm gonna say this here. There's that song called Songomona.
Yes.
That song made Metro famous.
Yes.
But that time I was not calling myself an artist. Actually, I was not even calling myself an artist or a promoter. It wasn't there. I pushed that song. Songomona featuring Bronze. I pushed that song. It was too famous thereby. It was.
This guy is so drunk that he forgot that he's shooting and he played.
It was too famous by my hood, ne?
Yeah.
I used to play that song on full blast.
Yeah.
People come to me and say, hey, I need this song. And because I'm zino na myanga ndithanzi. Ndo ndizola limbo ndabidza musanda ndiko ndizola limbo lwa songo mona.
Uri lomondo ala nasema mafunzi nyani yabidza musanda.
Tuzi nako sema na matamba nezona matamba.
Ndipo zona nasema mafunzi.
No, asokosema mafunzi akosemba the artist yakombore ne vakori ndabona Adolf na Bamba bakurwa Kiss what nezwe zwila ndiko zwi release ane pa nezo zori ni khabana zya correct abana mazwa. So the thing I'm saying about Chizy Wizy, that one of one a year ne yabana 214 views.
Yeah.
This one I took as a mwezi fake God. Yeah. Even said Chizy Wizy ne munombo ombodirimi. I'm not gonna and then mshumoni ngamgiwe. Chizy Wizy, I don't know. I'm not gonna record this song if you're not here. And then that okay.
Fake God, yeah.
Yeah.
Punchlines are heavy.
Punchline after punchline. If it's not a punchline, it's a rhyme. You see? So I went there.
I think, but one thing I think, ne,
yeah.
this Fake God is one of the tracks that really pushed him.
Yeah.
He pushed Chizy Wizy.
Actually, this Fake God ne, is one of the tracks I pushed him. you see, ne, Fake God ne, the reason I pushed him ne, you know, he's talented and everything.
Yeah.
The thing artists must know, right? Says the camera, one black and beautiful up. The thing Nando Diva.
Who's the bold and the beautiful?
Oh yeah, we're not the bold and the beautiful. The thing I'm saying, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You can have talent. Now I need to Amanda. But then if you're not consistent,
yes,
needs a pushy, you won't go anywhere.
True.
No one will invest on you. Check like this boy, they call him Yellow Man. People are saying his work and everything.
But then he works.
He works hard.
No, that boy. Now when it comes to Venrap,
yeah,
that's one of the most hardest working.
Hard. Yeah.
No way.
No.
Scamming working.
Yeah, no. That boy. No. Yeah. Let's leave him. He's out. We fired him.
He's a scammer.
That boy,
yeah.
Let's get him bookings, collaboration, the reason, the key behind those things,
Yeah.
I know Nenda Panga Yellow on a collaboration is going to push it.
Yeah.
A lot of people are gonna follow. And the thing is that people are gonna talk about it. Yeah. No. Let's wait. Let's leave that go and talk about Chizy
Wizy. How many songs that this is not Visa? Not because they were Fake God. You already this one.
You know, before you answer that, I can say you don't know. How many songs? How many songs? That's the thing.
I don't know what it is. I run about him. I don't know what this is. I like the car. Sorry, how many songs? I took on like, does it matter?
And the thing,
as long as in they go fuck us because it's not what I mean. They go eat. Car, yeah. That time I want to about what I mean. Then it was already. Then they wait. You understand?
Because I think
it was one like, okay, but you know, do someone and can't be for your position.
Yeah, thank God. Yeah.
You're rich, like, your brother beef is on Zamazamra.
1.3 extra.
Supposed to be like, in I don't have visas, you know, maybe you get over 10K.
So, somebody, every time you diss him, you are building up.
Yes.
But I don't know 100%. Child, we won't go to me. Or
before you answer.
For example, maybe I like, okay, in Kendrick Lamar, Nipagai come turn, when I want to know about come turn, you know me. Ni king, so after that, none of go better than this man. As you was does not compose one, okay. Then gonna tell you. June inui jene pi rangumpesa resi yanga ndiye shop na bona nomtango fi lubza shop ndena uribikao lubza
ngobika metro ngobika nga lubza
okay
metro do dera wash kunya ngobika nga
mara do you know metro chile pangachukua
ngakho ore pangachukua
tashikoni the way
gore nene
ore pangachukua I don't
ashikoni the way
ore pangachukua mara metro ore pa like after
Yeah, no, I've the thing don't mean I've came across
after the
metro.
If they want to become
Yes. Nine foot.
Then 9 foot.
Yeah.
Then which means you guys were
brothers
one time
Okay.
within the same crew.
Okay. Okay. Come with this.
So
And
Foussa
and they used to look up to me.
Like I see this
Because on Chomo Duman.
yeah, I see this you're dishing to Metro same gene, eh?
I don't think so.
Okay, yeah, you guys are from the same hood, not any Vamashao, right?
Yeah.
Nizone, right?
This way.
Nivamashao.
Yeah.
So, beside fighting, okay, because obviously, not any other the one out there, Nico win, right?
Yes.
So, don't you think, or somehow working together is a good way? Or not any right track and not besides dissing each other, ni rock music and not ni blow up and not aren't blow up and not is the right way, because you've been dissing, but then like I see there's an elevation. Mara nichi wonori. I don't know, you won't blow up even better, Nikushimanote, you know, unite.
Yeah, so no kuziyamba nikuspesesa mara net ati woka mumbro wori like nga diwana nikushimana metro konsobana metro mara ngandre ndakubona ngayo uka mumbro wori anga diwana kushimana nne like why ona ndimo diwa ewa ndiko nubuza ti
You heard that shit right here?
So which means
he looks up to you. Then I've mentioned a sharp Lubza. When I do a sharp Lubza and a metro, who find one sharp. Don't worry, I've been a metro sharp. It was a metro with a track and the metro Uri and a Shumana was one. So, ne find Lubza, so this stuff are a call. Uri high, metro co, you own banana. So, metro quaman, hey, what do you mean now? Or what teacher so hey, the shop. So after that, so what I mean? Naround Zonso Botanga, so Metro Comboria, I want to ring a shoe mana, was what other things as we took was one of our loops or in his way now. Mompesa, I, as you can see, when I say, Murbone, I won't go Bobo Dakan, Nepakuri, Bobo, Brapare, because we never was eat, and the one Bobo was eat.
Wait there.
Because you was never was eat, I want the kind of Muzurimo. The challenge was with
Chizy Wizy and good focus explain. Sorry in the cards, ne? Nigori metro kutombra fare. This way as it okay. Wait.
Okay. In the metro or
cause in Combori, Nigasuman kind cause I need time. Ango down better fare. 8 minute kind because I'm not a division. I don't recall him. I could need this. So 8 minute kind in the antico donation, and the Chinese go to name beef even more. 8 minute kind.
Cousin and meter or cousin the meter.
Cousin a meter, can I
cousin the meter?
Yeah. Cause the evening. No, I ran to the rules. Yeah. In the Combos go phone and loops and
yes.
Welcome, Rivado, Babadishman,
yes.
In the Nari and the Gassishman a metro, cause I told me after because the eye. This only right.
Somebody other maybe knows about him when the other. I'll to be up fire or cousin died.
Oh,
who got okay, that's what I'm doing. I was going to ring. Baby. We are going to fire.
So someone's already in Zena beef. I'm
that guy who
Martina umunango kakeliwani. Ola muno kurombera faro yori.
Until the king.
Niko rombero.
No, that's the fault.
Metro on reply and this is the name of that.
No,
Metro was a reply to the park.
So this are metro,
yeah.
Metro could this seven about. And then metro actually tangana maybe now this is a you cannot tangana yeah. So loser, unakufeel bika one night. ngoto do re vana va shume vote ngozwana so hononi uri mini adika si shume na arasa tuhumbela pfarelo you disregard so mo zo disi utombela pfarelo disi
yes
nazo wana musi
and like represent as big as zote from the start ukuzidiva zote da man
okay jambo rine mushuna muno da man this
I see the metro.
You be surprised.
Metro. Ada diambere.
Metro ashida ne. Ndikotewa ndione. Ndinazimbudzizo zine atingambika 11. Metro ndo ndera inu ndinazimbudziso for iri. Ne unazwina na Metro ndi mngano wanga ne. Chizy Wizy ni mngano wanga. Bote ndi vangana vanga. Zwina nda amba na Metro. Kasambe na ho. Nda amba na ho ndikasambe na Metro because na I'm a promoter. Because to be told to keep a calm the moon and like it's confidential between me and the artist. You see, between myself and the artist. So artist richamba arito izitanganyisa. So Metro oda apononi ndidokono mubudzisa ndamba naye bakozwa. So Chizy Wizy wamba zoyamba zone na Metro arali ada achida ndihone ndidomubudzisa ndidoziyamba unaziyambuza
so unazoyanyubuza
Metro unazoyambuza ne unombuza the reason why I reply your nizobakuzwa bese
manje uzethi thank God
Come on.
hey
Zuna ndo ndivezo. Ana patino zamba na.
Evan. Ndazo rikatia podcast ne. Mara ufichi tushine Metro adivo taba 269 and na 69. Na 69 ndikashaba no yo dia.
Stop ukati.
Evan, china. China na taba zone. No, ndikati tuone. China na taba zone peta 69.
So
like bana ndikungori like naboni zidive shapo zinokoto ndiziyambi zavino damani ne ndidomdisa and usikera ngumpesa wala mona izori a reply or mini ne atenda banazo ne ndidomdisa usikera and udodzipeze disizanga usikera and zidoduma usikera disizanga ngumpesa what's the man this
and the thing I know if someone is consistent about something like this Chizy Wizy I don't know if God I'm not gonna say it blew up but then it had a lot of progress first the time it is gonna blow up too much there's nothing else to blow up the thing is that the reason I gave myself time to promote this God because I saw his consistency. There are a lot of artists out there who are talented and everything, but they're not consistent. About the woozy, like no muzori, Richano Disamer to Mura reply. Kara no man. Now I'm no longer doing it for him to reply. I'm doing it because I'm doing it. Let me say this because myself. Lordy artist. I'm not promoting artists to sign them. I'm promoting them because I'm promoting them.
So do you think or you the manager one only sign or you?
I won't say
no.
He just promoting you.
Can you see what you say? And that thing Chizy Wizy or that mini una deal kufuku sign wazone. There's one on Facebook apala na niko nitende kana ni hane na. Na mbodire ndiga sit and uri sign you and ndiga say hane because I don't know the terms and conditions. Now it's up to you. Unless if you show me the terms and conditions, that's whereby I can say, "Hey, ijieni kana singo iji." Na ati promo ati manager wa wanti. Wa Chizy Wizy. And no, that thing ati promo. Ngazwana.
I mean, even
that thing
excuse.
No, I forgot. That thing ati promote wa Chizy Wizy. Promote your music. Because not need to promote our Chizy Wizy. Some other machine niggas gonna already promote any artist. Niggas gonna already promote men gela chime. Or that chime on Buzan. So men get up to that. I'll be sorry for men get in the Muruesa.
the Vamarai, tell me.
Okay, so
the featuring.
Okay, main game.
I one thing in your
Yeah.
and I'm like Chizy Wizy. You promoting the song is wrong.
Yeah.
Which is what you do.
Yeah.
Saradi when the Rimboro by Rutamba.
Yeah.
Us talking about it, reacting, saying whatever we want to say.
And the niggas don't want to know visa poster, yeah. Don't get a poster. Yori visionary mini. This is how.
Oh yeah. That thing, the reason I took that out, ne.
Yeah.
Hela poster yori arani koto do urindini promote.
Yeah.
On my personal account.
Yeah.
Zito negotiations zitomaga 50 rand ne.
Yeah.
Reason being that ne. Nina ndovula visionary page na ndiko promote mwana mwe free.
People should follow that page. Visionary page. Follow that. Page.
Actually, it's visionary 940907.
Yeah.
94097. Then 194. Ngazi 9 nga September ngazi 7.
This nigga has big beard. Okay.
Okay, yeah, so that's my death base. So come visionary page ne. I will promote everything. Because on my personal account I promote white myself because it was dope. This is promote. So nowadays ne. No, this is not dope. It's not worth my time. Because I won't promote it, and then people gonna say, no, not go promote a fair go to Chizy Wizy. One is on promoter, and go discriminate. So that's why I put a price. If someone is pushing me, I just tell them, okay.
Yeah, but let me tell you something.
Yeah.
$50 is nothing.
No.
I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
It's nice
because I bet it's in G pass.
Let me not the pass. You cannot run a Hennessy every weekend. That means the standard price of influencers in the bottom is 250.
Like and ngamba zwino. And ya wana Hendri Makuya.
Yeah.
No approach.
Yeah.
Hendri Makuya na Ndika. Umbuza 250. Ndo zamba zwino nepa live 250. Bani mudza nje.
Mama na Hendri Makuya.
No mana mura udzivinki.
Yeah, that's the one that man amrazi ndiko
Yeah. Standard price.
Yeah.
Influencers is 250.
No, the reason being that I prefer to do it free.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Reason I put that 50 rand fee. If someone is willing to pay that 50 rand fee, I can see they are serious. Because most of them they won't take it. They won't pay it.
What you're saying is like what? Remember the time when I said
I'm doing free.
I can create a website for you for $100 or 150, and no one showed up. But then 2 months later, somebody comes, they'll keep coming. Can you create a website for me?
You see? Like, I don't want to consider Venrap and T. I've been a Venrap.
I've actually blazing.
SP Blaze. Now, this is right in the Royalty. SP. Blazing. Aya zasireza ndando skima naye chuko nilichema
shuko na msaza shuko ana
shuko ni ndiko zamba hapa
tuzo chebo hapo kwa skimjao
no randi zambe hapa ne une arine mungana wote ndaba nazo shuko nilichezwa zi fake account wala simusaze wanu no mujaka Instagram na tazinepe na uploada zaba blurry muntu arina zaka na upload episode blurry ngafuni ya sharp and those we do namwa wachirwa naye man ndatanzo rufinyola muno achimbuza ndi fake account opera 2 or 3 years shuko abachi defend wangane but bachishaba ulona shuko because
fake account
but bachishaba ulona shuko ngokusha urimini nandi domu defend and then ndabe ndawo defend muntu ne ningasikuyini because I can spend the whole day or the whole month ndiko ni gear because so but why shaba yazo. So when I found out that no, this guy is lying to me, okay, I want to meet Cruz Beats. I want to meet Cruz Beats.
I see you on
Cruz. Asa disiwa kanga nifanyike. Nisamumite. Okay, go shoot music video wa shuko. Na okay, go meet Cruz. Nina rege mti the pro. Nisamumite ra shoot na msizana nyana so. Wala msizana ndo wabuti go shoot music video and everything. Shuko ya create a fake account wala msizana. Wala wala go shoot na ye. Wala mwana ya report au no nas account yangu itonga shuko atizo dewe. That's when the most pick up around no go create a fake account actually they was sizana mina so ndaya kaba tu bachi over western but over western bachi record Nepal aba undermade bullet ndiko babudzisa hey no mita cruise na are niko record kwa producer niko record kwa producer chifi dope ne aswiteni sa 3 meter mun bakumbudza woto arrange ibe producer Randy ambezina langu alendo kola ambaza za kamera and Rofi Mad Bullet ndito mutega ndichi Vicente Rofi Mad Bullet na ombuza life
are home to
like ndi model ya this one the model and the artist ya Mad Bullet and over ngozobana Rofi Mad Bullet na ombuza life or in cruise at to meet hawo. The thing is that Shuko na yomfumagazi ne na ba
marasi hawa
peze asihebo neokwambia Shuko, this is not personal, bro. Actually, it's personal because no more trust and I'm defend everything. And the reason the first day I met Nema, Nema no more divanga Shuko go shoot roll back out. And then one goes Nema. Yeah. Roll back out. That they want Nema. And the first day that they want Nema. Yeah. No, you pull up through. No power to apply. Did you want to let me see you kutoma nyana so ndaba ru apply na mushito muna because nenda chimufuna actually ne ndazenda chimufuna ndikadumufuna shuko adaramba ne razana mashu mapungo ne ndikadawana mupusha shuko opusha adiba na mina zote and then kuzamba na confidence because of me he was there before me but I made him what he is in front of the people ndina namdivisa ka batho banje shuko
I mean, there are so many people that you've made, man. So
like check ne before me ne Shuko on but over to divide ndishi yakapay ndishi yakalafia wa divide ngosona abana bathu beba close naye bachimudisa bachirwa nane because bakorumela Shuko ne phezela ukuthi badakane bakudo pushiyo ngozona
ukodroba fuso kuliza muzika
for the next time angada the thing is that ne Shuko ne ndiyanifuna ngamanda ngambina muyene ndikadinifuna fezi if I'm loyal to you and I fight for you and then you again fuck me up bruh I won't be there for you and I will fuck you up
so ndinyi anengumphusha zinto which artist
for now ne ndikupusha artists zobalao ne ndidwamba ine ya kupusheza ndikupusha short nice and then official imbuluti lene ro pushwa one song atuzuru pusha enough and alutuba out there on market yet and then I have CSG una classmate yao yo pusha bad classmate yao ka TikTok ya 100,000 views on TikTok yeah abana na mistando yo pusha the numbers zone tutuwa shonga the numbers zaone and then I have Mutleke atutumu ndani kwamba na eskale atututo pusha yesa because I need visuals from me zinana ngodo diva ne the visuals ya push when you're promoting music
this is what happens if you go and check my old videos you drop a song your song pushes when you drop the visuals your visuals become the extension of what you say on the song so it become an extension of the song it gives the song a lifespan
nikamrovanyana ka Venrap ne that song ya Kaspanyo Vest tipo ditombo win in your drop ne and people were saying no this song is whack Kespa is whack I drop a music video na the 10 rand na zote from there everyone was jamming to that song osemazo was the visuals that shumanga man
visual you can I don't remember the year but I shot that clip when I was in Mozambique talking about the video not no drop I think Puluno or someone talking about Puri how your music video become your extension of the song that you drop so I heard you were shooting a music video where you shooting for Venrap fake Venrap
you see that video ne at this one din kana director tomo danga RMT or don idea but I know them being not tomo o matini that song ne fake god ne like I saw that no this song ego push at the way ne you have another visuals it's gonna push even further.
Yeah.
And then again, Ricochet in a fair god like it's actually fair god one thing. The one you shoot one take.
Yeah, nice.
You one take one take. You to your pad out, not the locations of Chinchao. Right, I should tell a video. You got dog voice that the for god and then
Chizy Wizy fake god music video.
Yeah. Oh, no. Chizy Wizy fair god to Metal Same G promo video one take by Regempty the Pro short and no Siren Pie production.
Okay, come one thing.
Yeah.
People must stop writing who shot and produce on the subject.
On the subject and go to the description.
Go to description.
Simple.
Don't shoot them right there.
Simple. No, like
you can't be writing or you should have been video and stuff on the subject.
You see, reason being that most of these guys who are shooting music videos,
they wanna be known.
They are shooting music videos
for fame
and producing. The thing is that when they promote, like let's say he shoots it and then you go and host it.
Yeah.
He's not gonna write him the one who shot for credit.
So you put credit, you discuss those things.
Like the thing is that they don't talk enough. They just go like even this thing about running a many amazons too. Pros boy na one and then Sakonuru, then Royal such in Shad. Artists go out there and say, okay, later we Bonamen Gill, so Ndamu feature Gill. I'm going to share a link. Hey man, I know that whatever you may need or in the feature and put your share. Now it's only woods like I paid you for collaboration so that you can bring back a verse. You brought back a verse, you're done. It's not a must for you to share it. You share it.
You know what? When Coke play advert on TV, the fact that you're watching it doesn't mean that you need to go and talk about Coke. Coke is nice.
You see.
Mara, if we have an agreement that you're gonna share my stuff, I share your stuff. I do this. The reason I decided to say I'll share things that I spoke about was because if I put your song on my channel, my YouTube, my Facebook, I'll give you an example. You know, I got a message from Tshivenda and they posted their first promo.
Yeah.
We put it up on the channel, on the website.
Yeah.
They went to AfriHost and asked AfriHost to delete our website.
Yeah.
Or whatever, to take down whatever that was there. But you sent me your work. I'm a blogger. Get my stuff deleted.
Yo guys, again guys, let me say.
But I know you've diverted from Chizy Wizy. Chizy Wizy. So you're saying you're dropping a video and you're still gonna dismiss.
Is it your first video?
It is his first video.
Yeah, it's my first video.
Motherfucker, people are gonna see who is Chizy Wizy because they don't even know who is.
And we're gonna make sure we promote it. And then they work on the side. They work on the side. Because it's gonna do everything. Like he had a fee, he wanted to charge him and everything. Because why charge? I'll shoot a music video. And then
it's not like me when I feel like shooting.
Yeah, you see, so we thought no, it's fine. Shoot it.
Yeah,
and post it on channel. You're not gonna charge. Cause Chizy Wizy actually is not doing this for money.
Yes.
He's doing because he want to do it.
Yes.
He can do it, and he's still going to do it.
Let me tell you something. Wait. Chizy Wizy look like a very quiet guy, a very humble guy. Until we switch off the camera. Motherfucker become a beast.
was supposed to see now.
Yeah.
When I get out of here.
Yeah.
He's not doing it for money. Music is a business.
Wait, no, let me answer him. You can do something, generating cash, and other people can be doing the same thing because they want to do it, they love it, and everything. Like myself, when I'm doing promotions, I'm doing because I love it.
Yeah.
That's the reason I have a visionary page. I'm hosting for free. Even on my page, I'm hosting on my personal account. I do it for free. Reason I put that 50 rand fee with this guy saying that I should have put 250, but I put a 50 rand fee. It's because that I'm doing because I love it. That 50 rand fee is for those people who are coming to me, forcing me on my personal account. On my personal account, I should be posting my pictures of my wife or my kids.
Yeah.
You see, but then someone is coming to
Wait.
Yeah.
He should be advertising his wife.
Yeah.
The kids. And then when he posts the wife, they come like, damn, she should have been mine.
Yeah, you see, like
You know pissed off other people last time.
you can find that. Like I'm posting my kid, I post a picture of my kid, and then an artist can come and say, actually, how dare you ask me to post you? Yeah. Instead of posting my child, how the fuck do you ask me to post you and your fucking leak and you fucking
the child should be there.
No, like I'm cursing, it's gonna be rated 18.
Yeah.
Hey man, you don't fucking no, you must fucking stop this shit. When I post a picture of my child, stop posting your fucking link under my child picture. What the fuck does my child know about those pictures, man? About the music and everything.
Yeah.
If I post a picture of my child, right? Someone gonna post a link saying "fuck that bitch" under my. What the fuck?
What the
It's my child. You're posting that bullshit. Like how the fuck do you do that?
That bitch and onto your child's pictures.
That's the reason why I'm posting it. I'm putting a fee.
No Zifa or Maremba or hey, respect his personal account. Whatever you want, stop post to a visionary page.
Yeah.
Stop
And
posting.
you must go and like that page and follow that page.
Actually,
He's helping you.
you must go like the page.
Yeah.
Follow the page.
Yeah.
Invite your friends.
We're looking for him to reach 16,000 followers.
And if
How many do you have now?
Now it's going to 10,000.
Yeah, 16,000
Followers, not likes. Followers.
You see the thing now. There's this Make J project.
Yeah.
It was sponsored by Nema Media House, right?
Yeah.
People want that project, right? And then I told them I'm going to upload that project on Visionary YouTube channel.
Yeah.
I posted it. They didn't see it. The reason being that they didn't subscribe
Yeah.
on my channel.
Yes.
But then they want to work on a project that's on my channel. So I posted it on papers and didn't post it on the page.
Yeah.
And the people were coming to me and say, no bro, I didn't, where's the project? I tell them, how the fuck didn't you get the notifications? Where else you need the project from the page? You must subscribe.
Yes.
Go down the channel, you find it. It's there.
It's sitting right there.
It's there. But I ended up posting it because like I feel like actually I don't care how old you are. You Venrap artist, you are my kids, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, fuck it.
Go for you know.
Fuck it.
No, you see that?
Yeah.
You see that? Oh no, and I'm saying they are my kids.
What is in this one?
So if he says and I'm saying they are my kids and it's confusing. So means that you fucking Venrap artist, I'm your grandpa.
We're not kidding this shit. No, guys, this is the Street Talk podcast.
You can only get this here.
We had some lot of shit we wanted to say, but we never spoke about this shit.
So this is Richard Vara. What do you want to say to your fans, man? But when they're always following you, your loyal followers. What do you want to say, man? What do you want to say?
And where can they find you?
Cut Facebook.
What should they expect?
What should they expect? The video and other stuff.
Oh, okay. Kasifene Zanga sharp. Nina page like in follow page yanga na mina zote. Kazi Instagram, Chizy Wizy, Twitter, Chizy Wizy sharp. But whenever diva sharp, what's diva sorry like ndi time sharp. So bras itanga ndira nimfollow na mina zote.
There's more coming.
Sinambofonzanga ngasiziwane ngizibona zwe zentheni
What's the name box?
Zwona phathi ngasiziwane sharp mara mfollowane ka page yanga ya Facebook sharp Chizy Wizy and so like no drop a beef and to see ngoto shuma sharp ngoto visa track eza grand sharp mara beef ne ikati doda beef ndiko beef umthumthi atijiki ndiko beef umthumthi bezi atijiki mara kutotobana zitrack ezineza dopo zwino sharp uyabona so kasifene zanga sharp ndiri bless
Mr. Visionary, what do you say?
Mr. Visionary, I'm selfless. Ngizobona chine chinda kuti munhu zozvarimeni when you see this, the moment you see this clip, the moment you see this black, bald and beautiful, you should like this YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe and share.
Yeah.
This is a street talk with Nema Media. No, this is not about me. It's not about me. Let's forget about that one. This is about that. Require mix up chakalaka ne kodor dele yo tanganyisa na punchline. So please man, I'm begging you please like this YouTube channel, subscribe and share. Nimbone watu wabona uzore the black and beautiful zione bazibone na visionary ndikwirengisa randi yamba visionary ndikwirengisa. If you're far from me, I sell it for 250 for Korea. If you're near, ndiko blow my data mbisa na Hebrew ndiyawanala. So it's gonna be 60 rand for Korea. So ni ranga ni support a visionary man, black like me. Colors zote zione arani kudoba black like me. And then again, let me say it again, subscribe, like and share this podcast. 3 Talk, don't invite you up on it. And it's gonna be a special edition because
special edition.
No. Hip hop Venrap special edition. Because one so
Una Chizy Wizy.
Una Lordy. Una No, kocha wa mrapa, nama grandpa. So guys, we're about to wrap this out now. Let's not promote Visionary for now. So guys, we're about to wrap this up. And I'm really grateful to Amanda for Nema and Mengel for inviting me, even though we had some conflicts a few months ago.
That's how people grow.
Because sometimes
this is what Bomo said. No, Visionary, wait. This is what Bomo said.
Yeah.
Sometimes certain conflict are the way to greater things.
Yeah.
Sometimes when God sees you guys are not linking up, He creates something for you guys to link up. That's what Bomo said.
Yeah, so He created something for us to link up. Maybe if we didn't have that conflict, Rasanga link up actually. I'm not sure, but then I'm just assuming that. So this is
no, we have linked up a lot, but we never think of working.
Yeah, no, we have linked up, but then we haven't really communicated.
See a lot of things coming. Great things from Visionary is going to be pushing. I know how we do it. We are out, man.
Chizy Wizy,
What do you mean?
This is what I'm saying. I reply. Career,
Chizy Wizy. Metro CMG, my nigga, gonna nyanga. Gonna buze Chizy Wizy uri. I dare you to reply this.
Yeah.
And if you reply it, your career is over.
So before he goes, can we get a freestyle?
I'm gonna freestyle, yeah.
Chizy Wizy.
Even if it's from Fake God.
Okay, let's start here. You start there.
Hi, Chizy Wizy.
Chizy Wizy.
Chizy Wizy. Bakombo ya freestyle. Nisongo mona songo dita 10 style.
Nisongo dita 10 style. Metro diva style chatoni. Chine chaba hairstyle. David dog style. Yo, ndichehone ka freestyle. Ungare ndikurwa, ungare Tupac. Ebeni ndiboni bisa lifestyle.
Okay, but bakombo na freestyle. Yeah. Chamahara ndadangambo freestyle. Lordy. Bari freestyle. Ihlainsha shabazana. It's called hairstyle. No Jenna, you so hostile. Whatever that you do, I'm so his style. Cause when I hit a freestyle, I hit it with a free smile. Don't follow number on the free dial. Whatever that I do, never Lordy. When I'm doing this shit, I feel really so godly. Unlike the police, that's really the metro. When I come through with this shit, the phone is retro. Throwback, my nigga. Really, this shit is retro. Got into Nema Media, Mararo, and the Chizy with the head.
Listen to this.
It sounds like Lord has a lot of personal issues. I wonder he goes for after for Batondy. I wonder if Zero ever fuck his chick. Because the way he talks, it looks like he's been hitting hard. Various name ambao, I'm just maybe drunk. Mara nimo juice in a coffee at his far is on my heart. So you need to understand if you know the visionary, we here we doing this thing. Vari mudzimu antanganyisa nisongo zviplana mara vunji yava do nisasaradza ngori vazvisanda. So I'm still here doing like I don't give a so nisongo minda. We still taking to the top. Street Talk Podcast. Arengo danga matata. We not in a competition. Arengo danga papa. Banjo badonyebuza.